So hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about quantifiers. So basically when these quantifiers are used, when we need to represent collections of objects, then we are going to use quantifiers. So when these quantifiers are used, they are used for expressing properties of entire collection of objects rather than just single objects. When we want to talk about a collection of objects, in real world objects are in collection. So whenever there is a collection of objects, we are going to use quantifiers for representing them. For example, if I have a statement, all Indians love cricket. So for expressing or for representing this type of statements where for all Indians, or if we are going to say statements like some of the Indians love football. So in this type of examples, when for all or for some, we are representing a collection of objects. For whenever there is a collection of objects, then quantifiers are used. Basically there are two types of quantifiers. First, universal quantifiers, and second, existential quantifiers. Now coming to the first type of quantifier, that is universal quantifier. It is represented with the symbol this, and this symbol is pronounced as for all. So when this universal symbol is used, when you want to talk about for all, just like I've said, all Indians love cricket. So here all, so whenever any statement is given and in which for all objects we talk about, then we use universal quantifiers, and it is written as for all xp, where x is variable. So this universal quantifier is always used with variables, like x is variable. In quantifiers we write a statement as for all xp, where p is true for every x. Means if we talk about Indians, then all Indians love cricket, then we can say for all xp. We can write where p is any propositional statement, like all Indians love cricket. So we can represent this type of statement using universal quantifiers. Now coming to the second type of quantifier, that is existential quantifier. It is represented with the symbol this. And when this existential quantifier is used, when you are talking about some of the objects, like some of the Indians love football, then for such type of statement we are going to use existential quantifiers. This is used when for some object, not for all. Means we are not talking for all objects. For all objects we are going to talk about universal, and if there is some objects, then we are going to talk about existential quantifier. And this is pronounced as there exists x, such that you can say there exists some Indian which love football, or you can say for some x, just like for some Indians they love football. So these are the two quantifiers. First, universal quantifiers, and second is the existential quantifier. Universal is used when we talk about for all objects, and existential is used when we talk about for some objects. Thank you.